LdM's CAMNES seminars continue with a conference on a fiery topic. Do the gates to hell really exist? The final event in the spring 2018 CAMNES lecture series zeroed in on one of the literary and mythological world's motifs, the door of the underworld, seen across art forms from painting to music and literature. Guest speaker, Professor Francesco D'Andria of the University of Salento in Lecce, spoke about the archaeological discoveries that led archaeologists and scholars to a very revealing sanctuary dedicated to the god of the underworld on the ancient site of Hierapolis in what is today Western Turkey. We spoke to him about the importance of this discovery and what it means for both the collective imagination and the future of scholarship in this arena. D'Andria's lecture also explored medieval and Renaissance Italian images associated with the underworld and the way they continue to shape our conceptions of it today, as seen in recent works such as Dan Brown's novel Inferno and its big screen counterpart, much of which was filmed in Florence. The underworld continues to be a subject of fascination and study, even in our contemporary analytical age.
The conference starts with the discoveries, very important discoveries made by myself in Turkey. In Hierapolis. Hierapolis means the sacred city because there is a fault across the city, and from this fault comes the thermal water and also gases, very poisonous gases. And these gases can kill the animals that approach to one grotto. For the ancient, this grotto was the entrance to the hell gate. So many ancient writers have described this Hell Gates site in Hierapolis, but no one had never found. And in 2012, I have noted that in one part of this ancient city of Hierapolis, I have found many birds killed by fumes, by gas. And I thought that maybe this was the site of the plutonium, the gate of hell. Because also Strabo and the other ancient writers describe the birds killed by the fumes at the entrance of the hell, 2,000 years ago. And some years ago I have thought that maybe the ancient plutonium, the ancient entrance to the hell was there. I have started with the excavation, and I have found a grotto, the entrance to the grotto, and on the grotto, on the entrance, one inscription in Greek with dedication to Pluto and Kore. Pluto is the god of underworld, and Kore is his wife. So it's very important because we are sure that the famous sanctuary of Pluto was located there. And in those last years, we have excavated all the sanctuary, 2,500 meters wide, square meters wide, and we have found many elements.